Okay, now we have a very interesting application of this method. Method means use of logarithm in differentiation. Question is if 1 alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 up to alpha n minus 1 are nth roots of unity. We have done this in complex numbers, cube roots of unity, nth roots of unity. Okay, then evaluate these two. First is 2 minus alpha 1 into 2 minus alpha 2 up to 2 minus alpha n minus 1, and second is 1 over 2 minus alpha 1 plus 1 over 2 minus alpha 2 up to 1 over 2 minus alpha n minus 1. हमें इन दोनों के वैल्यूज निकालने हैं. First is simple. We have done this in complex numbers. Nth roots of unity means roots of equation x is equal to 1 power 1 over n. Okay, nth roots of unity. So we have x power n is equal to 1 or x power n minus 1 is equal to 0. This equation has roots 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 up to alpha n minus 1, n number of roots. Okay, one is real root and other roots will be non-real. We will have one more real root minus 1 if n is even, and if n is an odd integer, then all alpha 1 to alpha n minus 1 will be non-real numbers. Okay, now these are roots of this equation. Okay, so using factor theorem we can write x power n minus 1 as x minus 1, x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2 up to x minus alpha n minus 1. Okay, we are using factor theorem. Now we have to find value of this. So what we do, we replace x with 2. हम x को 2 से replace करेंगे. Put x is equal to 2. We get 2 minus 1 into 2 minus alpha 1 into 2 minus alpha 2 up to 2 minus alpha n minus 1 is equal to 2 power n minus 1. मिल गया इसका वैल्यू. क्या किया हमने, इसमें x को 2 रखा. Okay, now we have this one 1 over 2 minus alpha 1 plus 1 over 2 minus alpha 2 up to 1 over 2 minus alpha n minus 1. How can we get these terms? ये terms कैसे आएंगे? क्या कर सकते हैं? Think here x. Then we have 1 over x minus alpha 1, 1 over x minus alpha 2 up to 1 over x minus alpha n minus 1. How we get these terms? We get these terms using logarithm and differentiation. Okay, so by taking logarithm on both sides, we get log of x power n minus 1 is equal to log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus alpha 1 plus log of x minus alpha 2 up to log of x minus alpha n minus 1. Okay, next we differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get n into x power n minus 1 over x power n minus 1. इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? डेरिवेटिव will be 1 over x power n minus 1 into derivative of x power n minus 1, which is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus alpha 1 plus 1 over x minus alpha 2 up to 1 over x minus alpha n minus 1. Okay, now to get the value of this, we put here x is equal to 2. हम यहाँ पे x को 2 रखेंगे. We get this is equal to क्या मिलेगा? This will be n into 2 power n minus 1 over 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, put here x is equal to 2, we get 1, so we will have this minus 1. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक अच्छा combination है, a good combination of algebra and calculus. Let's take one more question. Okay, now we have question from trigonometry. We have combination of trigonometry and calculus. Question is, if expression cos x over 2 into cos x over 4 into cos x over 8, we have such infinite factors following this trend. If this product is sin x over x, then prove that 1 over 2 into tan x over 2 plus 1 over 4 into tan of x over 4 plus 1 over 8 into tan of x over 8 and so on, this is equal to 1 over x minus cot x. We can prove this using concepts of trigonometry. हम इसको prove कर सकते हैं. But here we have to use this result to find the sum of this series, which is 1 over x minus cot x. क्या कर सकते हैं? Here we have product, okay, and here we have sum. So to move from product to sum, we use logarithm. We use the properties of logarithm. Okay, so what we do? We take logarithm on both sides. We get log of cos x over 2 plus log of cos x over 4 and so on. No need to write so many terms, okay. Trend समझ में आना चाहिए बस. And here on RHS we will have log of sin x minus log of x. Okay. Next, क्या करेंगे? We have here 1 over 2 into tan x over 2. तो क्या करेंगे? Definitely we will differentiate this with respect to x. हम इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में differentiate करेंगे. What will be derivative of log cos x over 2? Derivative will be 1 over cos x over 2 multiplied by derivative of cos x over 2, which is minus 1 over 2 into sin x over 2. Okay, so derivative of this is minus 1 over 2 into tan x over 2. Okay, similarly derivative of this will be minus 1 over 4 into tan x over 4. Then derivative of next term will be minus 1 over 8 into tan of x over 8 and so on. Okay, this is equal to derivative of log sin x, which is cos x over sin x. ये होगा ना? Okay, minus derivative of log x, which is 1 over x. Okay, now we multiply both sides by minus 1. We get this is equal to 1 over x minus cot x. Okay, then we differentiate this identity both sides with respect to x. We get 1 over 2 square into second square x over 2 plus 1 over 4 square into second square x over 4 and so on. This is equal to minus 1 over x square plus cos x square x. Question can be like this: if this product is sin x over x, then find the sum of this series. Okay, in that case we have to differentiate 2 times. Okay.